Hey, welcome back to the shop. I've been making YouTube videos and sometimes I record a voiceover on my Mac, and this hard drive is actually storing what is being recorded, and it makes this like crackling noise in the background that drives me insane. So I went on Scamazon and I found this podcasting microphone. Is Maono, whatever that means. And yeah, did you hear about those idiots doing unboxing with the iPhone using one hand? Well, that's me today. So this is what comes in the box: instruction manual, a pop filter. Let's just try it. Pop. Yeah. Not sure about that. This is, yeah, to get rid of my accent so I don't sound Mexican anymore. With this, I will sound like, very English. Anyways, this microphone mount and your articulated arm. This is gonna fall. The base for your articulated arm, a Velcro wire thingy, and a USB cable. No microphone though. Oh, never mind. There's the microphone. Microphone. Yeah, it started to fall off. And yeah, I don't see many switches or anything, so but the Mac has controls for it, so let me plug this in and see how it works. Well, she's all set up. Well, I didn't tie my wire, but I run it through there and it's plugged into my hard drive. And yeah, I just went into all my preference and selected this microphone. Didn't change any settings or nothing. So I'm just gonna shut up now and record about 40 seconds of video and then voice over a little bit without the microphone and a little bit with the microphone, so you can hear the difference. So this is my iMac internal microphone, and yeah, I'm growing this watermelon in my shop. I removed the original background sound from this video, so this is just for my Mac microphone, and I don't hear the hard drive much. There it goes. Anyways, I'm gonna switch to the other microphone now. And this is using the Maono microphone. I pronounced it right this time. But yeah, that's a whole mess in my shop, and that's the box. And yeah, this is what this microphone sounds like. Anyways, if you're in the market for one, check it out.